You may have seen viral videos of cats freaking out when they see a cucumber behind them. But why are they so scared of this harmless vegetable? It turns out our feline friends don't appreciate things sneaking up on them. They are both predator and prey, so surprise is not their favorite sensation. Their sensitive senses of hearing, smell, and vision get startled, particularly while they're eating, drinking, or using the litter box. Contrary to popular belief, it's not because the cucumber resembles a snake. In fact, cats are usually curious about serpents. So next time, instead of placing a cucumber behind your cat, why not engage in a playful session with a catnip toy? Keep curious and stay tuned for more fascinating facts.